What was the setup of your gas pressure experiment and what material did you use? So, we used syringe without the needle and a small balloon. The balloon placed inside the syringe and the plunger was pushed and pulled to change the volume of air inside the container. What happened to the pressure inside the container when the volume changed? When we decrease the volume by pushing the plunger, the pressure increased. When we increase the volume by pulling the plunger, the pressure decreased. How did temperature change affect the pressure of the gas? If the temperature increased, the air inside the balloon expanded, causing the pressure to raise. If the temperature decreased, the air contracted and the pressure dropped. How does the gas pressure relate to the amount of gas in the container? The more gas particles present inside the container, the more they collide with the wall, meaning more gas equal higher pressure. How do your observations support Boyle's law or Charles' law? In Boyle's law, we observed that when volume decreased, the balloon shrunk because pressure increased. In Charles' law, when temperature increased, the balloon expanded, showing that the temperature and volume are directly related. What challenges did you encounter during the experiment and how did you address them? One of the challenges was keeping the balloon small enough to fit inside the syringe. We solved this by using a very small balloon or slightly inflating it leaking. So we made sure that the syringe was tightly sealed. What did you observe about the behavior of gas particles in response to change in volume and temperature? When volume decreases, the particles become closer and collide more often. Increasing pressure, when temperature increases, they move faster and spread out, making the balloon expand. What real-life application of example of gas pressure change can you think of based on your experiment? So the first one is pumping air into a bicycle tire. Then using a syringe in hospital. And expanding balloon in hot weather. What important could be made to this experiment for a better accuracy or clearer result? So, use a pressure sensor to measure pressure more precisely. A transparent balloon to see change better, or repeat experiments several times to ensure consistent result. What scientific principle did this experiment demonstrate about gas behavior and pressure? So, Boyle's law, temperature increase when volume decrease. Then, Charles' law, temperature and volume increase together. And kinetic molecular theory, gas particles more faster when higher temperature and collide more when volume is reduced.
Thank you for watching.